11th class, we are talking about chapter number 2, that is structure of atom. Today we will talk about the quantum number, as we read that the numbers which are capable to tell us about the cell, subcell, orbital, their orientation in any electron or in any atom of their electrons are considered as a quantum number. Today we are talking about fourth quantum number, that is a spin quantum number. Very simple it is. In any orbital, maximum 2 electron will be there. Suppose I am talking it is 1s2. What is 1s2? I will teach you later after. So there is 2 electron. This one is upward side and this arrow is downward side. This 2 electron is moving in space in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. In an orbital, there is 2 electrons. One electron moves towards the right side or clockwise, another electron moves towards the left side or anti-clockwise. The electron which is moving towards the right side or clockwise, their spin will always be plus half. Plus half spin will be there. And the electron which is moving towards the left side or anti-clockwise, its spin is always minus half. This is the spin quantum number. The spin quantum number is telling about the spin of electron in any orbital. There is 2 electrons. Spin of one or electron will be clockwise, another electron will be anti-clockwise, and their value will be plus half and minus half. Now we are coming into the next topic, that is Abbaus principle. Abbaus is not at all a name of any scientist. It is a Greek word which means building up. Abbaus is a Greek word which means building up. As we are knowing according to quantum number that in atom there is a cell, in cell there is a subcell, in subshell there are orbitals that I already taught you in quantum number, and in that orbital there is electron. So filling of electron in any orbital on the basis of their energy level. Abbaus principle is saying that we fill any electron first in the lower energy cell or orbital and then in higher energy orbital. So 1s, which is in 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, we have to go according to it. So first see where the 1s will come, where the 2s will come, and how we are filling. This is nucleus, these are the cells. Okay, in cell 1 there is 1s2, then 2s2, 2p6, maximum number of electron. In S subcell 2, in P subcell 6, in D it is 10, and in F it is 14. Maximum number of electron in subcell SPTF. The subcells are also naming as orbital, SPTF orbital. In orbital they will divide Px, Py, Pz, Dx square, Y square, like that, which I have already taught you in quantum number. So maximum strength of having electron 2, 6, 10, 14. In first cell there is only one orbital, that is S orbital or S subcell P. In second cell there is S and P. In third cell there is S, P and D, and in fourth there is S, P, D and 4F. Okay, and then the same orbital will repeat because in our periodic table there is 118 element, and for 118 element this much subcell is more than enough. Now again we are coming into Abbaus principle. According to Abbaus principle, we have to fill electron earlier in less energy level than in higher energy level. So there is some trick on it. First we will fill in 1s, then we will come for 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s and 4p. In between 4s and 4p we have to fulfill 3d. we are filling to 4p, 4s, and then we are coming back to 3d. So if outermost cell is n cell, we are coming in n minus 1 cell, n minus 1 d cell we are coming to fulfill electron. So it is 3d, 4s, 3d, 4p. Why it is happening, I will explain according to the rule. Then 5s, 4d, 5p. Again the same thing is coming. 6s, now 4f is coming, 5d. Means you are coming n minus 2f when you are coming back from the last cell before 2 cell, that is n minus 2f. So after 6s we will fulfill 4f. The energy of 6s is less in comparison to 4f. Why I will tell you. Then 5d, 6p, 7s, 5s, 6d, the same will go on. So it is the building up rule of above. According to above, we will fulfill electron. First we will fill in S cell, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. Till then there is no problem. As we are coming in 4s, we have to go back 1 cell earlier to fulfill d orbital. We have to go back 1 cell earlier. If it is n cell, which one is this? S is nth cell, then it is n minus 1 d. We have to move 1 cell before for filling d orbital, then 4p, then 5s, again 1 cell before 4d, 5p, and as we are coming in 6s, we have to go back 2 cell before to fulfill f orbital. So 6s, then 4f. The energy of 6s, then 4f, then 5d, and then 6p. After it 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p, then 8s, 6f, 7d, and 8p. Why it is happening, we will understand through a rule, that is n plus L rule, which I will tell you in next class. Okay.